Welcome, financial enthusiasts, to a mind-blowing video that will revolutionize your approach to money. In today's video, we're unveiling 10 powerful money hacks that will save you thousands. Get ready to discover practical strategies, expert insights, and actionable tips that will transform your financial landscape. Let's dive right in. Our first money hack is all about budgeting. Budgeting is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. To create a comprehensive budget, start by tracking your income and expenses. Make a list of all your income sources and categorize your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, such as unnecessary subscriptions or dining out too frequently. Set specific financial goals and allocate a portion of your income towards savings. Use budgeting tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to help you stay organized and monitor your progress. By following a budget, you'll gain control over your finances and make informed spending decisions. Saving money is key to building wealth. Our second money hack focuses on maximizing your savings. Start by analyzing your current expenses and identify areas where you can save. Look for ways to reduce your grocery bills, such as meal planning, using coupons, or buying in bulk. Save on utilities by conserving energy and exploring cheaper service providers. Take advantage of cashback apps, loyalty programs, and discount codes when shopping online. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. Consider opening a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your savings. By implementing these saving strategies, you'll watch your savings grow and reach your financial goals. Credit cards can be a valuable tool when used wisely. Our third money hack is all about mastering the art of credit cards. Start by understanding your credit card terms and conditions, including interest rates, annual fees, and rewards programs. Only use credit cards for planned expenses that you can pay off in full each month to avoid interest charges. Take advantage of cashback or rewards programs to earn benefits on your purchases. Be diligent in paying your credit card bills on time to maintain a good credit score. Avoid carrying high balances or maxing out your credit limit, as it can negatively impact your credit score. By using credit cards responsibly, you can benefit from the perks while avoiding unnecessary debt. Debt can weigh you down financially. Our fourth money hack focuses on tackling debt effectively. Start by organizing your debts and creating a repayment plan. Prioritize high-interest debts and pay more than the minimum payment to reduce the overall interest you'll pay. Consider debt consolidation options, such as balance transfers or personal loans, to simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. If you're struggling with significant debt, reach out to a financial advisor or credit counseling agency for guidance. By taking proactive steps to manage and pay off your debts, you will regain control of your financial future. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Our fifth money hack focuses on becoming an investment insider. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Consider your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon when choosing investments. Diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk and potentially increase your returns. If you're new to investing, consider using robo-advisors or consulting with a financial advisor. Regularly review your investments and make adjustments as needed. By becoming knowledgeable about investing and making informed decisions, you'll have the potential to grow your wealth significantly. Earning additional income can provide a significant boost to your finances. Our sixth money hack focuses on starting a side hustle. Identify your skills, interests, or hobbies and explore ways to monetize them. Start a freelancing gig, sell handmade crafts online, or offer consulting services in your area of expertise. Utilize online platforms or marketplaces to find clients or customers. Dedicate time and effort to your side hustle to ensure its success. Consider reinvesting your side hustle income back into your financial goals, such as paying off debt or investing. By starting a side hustle, you'll have the opportunity to increase your income and accelerate your financial progress. Shopping is an integral part of our lives, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Our seventh money hack focuses on smart shopping strategies. Before making a purchase, research prices, compare products, and read reviews to ensure you're getting the best value. Look for sales, discounts, or promotional codes to save money. Consider buying used or refurbished items instead of always buying new. Avoid impulsive purchases and practice delayed gratification by giving yourself time to think before buying. By implementing these smart shopping strategies, you'll become a savvy consumer and make your money go further. Adopting a frugal lifestyle can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Our 8th money hack focuses on embracing frugality. Start by evaluating your current spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself if a purchase aligns with your values and priorities. Embrace DIY projects, learn to repair items, or repurpose things instead of always buying new. Cook meals at home, bring lunch to work, and limit eating out. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options and prioritize experiences over material possessions. By living frugally, you'll save money and appreciate the things that truly matter in life. Insurance is an essential aspect of financial planning and protection. Our 9th money hack focuses on optimizing your insurance coverage. Review your existing insurance policies, including auto, home, health, and life insurance. Shop around and compare prices to ensure you're getting the best rates. Consider increasing deductibles to lower your premiums, but make sure you have enough savings to cover potential expenses. Bundle your insurance policies with one provider to potentially receive discounts. Regularly review your coverage to make sure it aligns with your current needs. By optimizing your insurance coverage, you will protect yourself financially and potentially save money on premiums. Lastly, our 10th money hack is all about mindset mastery. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial success. Cultivate a positive and abundance mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals and overcome any obstacles. Practice gratitude for what you have and focus on the progress you're making. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and continuously educate yourself about personal. By mastering your mindset, you'll develop the resilience and determination needed to achieve long-term financial success. There you have it, 10 mind-blowing money hacks that will save you thousands. We've covered budgeting, saving strategies, credit card management, debt repayment, investing, side hustles, smart shopping, frugal living, insurance optimization, and mindset mastery. Implement these strategies into your life, and you'll see a significant positive impact on your finances. Remember, financial success is within your reach. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and until next time, stay financially empowered.